Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Joe.
I'm Lisa.
And welcome to Come Dine With Me. This is the series where we collab with other YouTubers. And what do we do with them? What we do is to showcase lovely cuisine from all over the world. Now this is the second in the series for this year, 2024.
Yes.
And this one is entitled A Trio of Desserts with a Jamaican Twist. So here are the YouTubers that we collabed with this time. So first of all, we have the Taylor fams from Jamaica.
Yay.
And their family is made up of Mark, Allison, and Alex. And then we have Best Beans Lifestyle, and she lives in Florida in the States. Now please people, go over to their channels, subscribe, and share their video as well. Now they're also going to be doing a trio of desserts, so we'll cook for each other and invite each other over to have this meal. Well, this feast.
Yes.
So we've done our prep and our cooking. It was fun in the kitchen, and now we're going to show you exactly how things went down.
How it went down.
We've come up with some really good ideas.
Yeah.
To go shopping.
Yeah.
Not true. But wait, you know it's not a good idea to do shopping really for this challenge, because we have a pantry full of stuff.
Oh.
We have the freezer and the fridge full. Why do we need to shop? We must. And you know what too? Jamaicans like to turn their hand and make fashion. You know what that means? Tell the English speaking people. Okay. To turn your hand and make fashion means to be creative. Not just in the kitchen, but right now we're talking about being in the kitchen and being creative.
Yes.
You should be able to come up with some Jamaican desserts, at least 3, that have a twist to it that's Jamaican.
Yeah.
Even though originally the idea might not be Jamaican.
Right.
So let's do that. Let's look to the pantry.
Yeah.
See what we have maybe in the fridge as well, and see what we can come
And
up
I
with.
bet you we don't need to buy anything.
I can think of at least 2 things that
What?
I could make right off hand with what's in the pantry. My first idea is something. We have a lot of chocolate.
Yeah.
Left
Christmas
from
chocolate.
over Christmas.
And they'll last forever. And we're
chocolate,
not eating so much chocolate.
And chocolate melts nicely.
Yeah.
I think we should be able to come up with 3 ideas, 3 different textures.
I'm thinking of dukuno.
Oh,
Dukuno is a Jamaican
Dukuno.
special, but maybe with a special twist, maybe a drizzle or
to make it posh.
Yes, yes. So dukuno is one, definitely.
Okay. You know, with the melted chocolate, if we melt the chocolate, we could sprinkle it over something. Pretzels.
Yes,
We have a big
bucket.
tub of pretzels in the fridge.
Yes,
in the pantry.
Yeah.
So pretzels with
maybe heart-shaped pretzels with chocolate
drizzled over.
Yes.
Maybe some with coconut.
Yeah.
Sort of gizzard-ish.
So we need one more idea. Let's think.
Different flavor now.
Yeah.
So not just totally sweet. Maybe something tangy.
Yeah.
We have lemon or lime in the fridge.
Oh. And we have enough ingredients to make some mini pancakes.
Ooh.
Pancakes, the Jamaican twist.
Ooh, that sounds good. Make them nice and small.
Yes.
So it's dessert. What would you
Delicate.
serve it with though?
Cinnamon sugar, definitely. What Jamaican fruits do we have? We have bananas, and sometimes people put bananas on
Pancakes.
Yeah, they put other berries and so on, but if they're not Jamaican, But we'll see. We'll see. But
Alright,
we'll
let's go
definitely
to the
come up with
pantry
something.
and the fridge and see what we come up
Yes.
with. Yay! So we've secured these from the pantry. Now let's get the aprons. Go. Thank you. Back in business. Lisa, let's just start off with dukumu.
Yes.
We have a potato,
Yeah.
and that grater, so that takes long. Let's start dukumu.
Here's the perfect example of Tonya Hannah McFashion. Don't have the real coconut milk powder will do.
Yes, definitely.
And you notice how some parts of the potato turn in brown the more you grate it. This is called enzymic browning. Happens with some fruits and veg.
Right, now we're ready to put all the components together. Yeah. So cornmeal, flour, a little bit of flour, the potato, and this is the milk, coconut milk, very spiced up. Yeah. Salt, nutmeg, cinnamon. Yeah. Just to help bind it. I'm using wholemeal. Wholemeal, healthier. Talk about Tonya Hannah McFashion. Jamaicans always have some fruits soaking. Yeah! So we're going to add some of that. Red label wine with raisins, sultanas, cherries. Not too much, just want a sprinkling. All right. You know what you need? The pot on with the water boiling. Okay.
So here we're going to be using a cooling rack as a riser, just so that the plastic bags are not touching directly the base of the pot.
Now that the dukun is on, it's time to focus on our pretzels covered with chocolate and coconut. Now we're using all the bits of chocolate that we have left over after Christmas. We know some bits are gooey inside, some have caramel, some have nuts, some have all sorts of little bits in. We know it will combine everything together and leave a soft top for the coconut to be sprinkled on. Here's how we did it. Just before we show you that though, let's show you that we had to do clean as you go because there were so many things being used. Here's our bain-marie bean setup, which is a shatterproof bowl over a pan of hot water to slowly melt the chocolate. If you ever see my pretzel bites, I won't show you until the table is spread and ready. Let's leave it for then. But now I'm going to be working on the coulis or a reduction syrup, reduction that I'm going to be making for the dukunu, right? To be served with the dukunu. So I have pineapple, I have dried cherries, and I have a little bit of sugar. I'm just going to boil those together, reduce it, and then we'll see, or strain one of them, but you'll see, and then so Lisa made a lovely pineapple reduction, pineapple and cherry, sour cherries, chopped pineapples, sour cherries, a little sugar, a little bit no red water, food coloring, no water, some of the juice from the pineapple, and then just a little touch of red food coloring left just to enhance the color, and blended afterwards, so really reduced. I do wish I had strained it at the end. You'll see, we thought it was a little bit lumpy, not a lot, just a little bit, so it could have been strained. turn this into a proper British tea party for them.
So, this recipe for the fluffiest ever pancakes calls for flour, milk, cinnamon, eggs, sugar, and that's it. Now, basically, the flour is mixed together with the egg yolks. You have to separate yolks and whites. So whisk whites, put everything else together, then put it in the, then fold the whisked whites into it, and then just ladle it on. So let's
Where did you get this recipe from?
From a friend, a teacher friend, Dion, when we taught together.
We decided go all out and done.
Yeah.
Remember this boy? What's his name? Afrita? I don't remember. Some runner. There was this athlete who was really trying, and his mother went into a big event, and his mother just said, as her advice,
all out and
go
done.
all out and done. Yeah. So we decided to make it a proper posh tea party. It's Britain. It's England. I hope they appreciated it. It was a very cold day as well. So
Yeah.
coming in from the warmth, I'm sure they appreciated it. Yeah. So we had everything ready for a British tea party. so much for joining us in the second in the series of this year. Yeah. And do remember to go over to the other 2 channels, show them some love, subscribe, share the video if you liked it, because most likely others will like it too. And we look forward to sharing with you next month in another episode of Come Dine With Me. Next month, March,
real food.
Going to
real
be
food.
And some epic collabs. Thank you and stay tuned. Bye.